All right, so Jesus says to love your neighbor as yourself. During this time, there are so many practical ways that you can love your neighbor as yourself. And so we're gonna bless our neighbor with one of the most rare commodities that's out right now. This is rolled gold. So don't tell them. Just we're gonna sync up. So be really very quiet, very sneaky. So come with me. It's this one. Okay. Okay. There we go. Sneak it. We're just showing you how much like Jesus we are. We're loving our neighbor. Hey, so why don't you find creative things that you can doorbell ditch to your neighbors and your friends and send them in.